The Honda Goldwing is one of the most recognizable model series from the Japanese manufacturer. For a long time, the Goldwing name has stood for a cushy bike with a lot of creature comforts, and in its 2018 redesign the company wanted to scale back the heft a bit. The next generation bike was to be a sharper version of itself. As Goldwing project leader Yutaka Nakanishi puts it, "We wanted our new Goldwing to maintain its luxury but to be a much more rounded motorcycle. A machine as useful to its owner around the city as it is out on tour? And more exciting to ride than ever. So we started from a blank piece of paper and made the Goldwing sharper and lighter, and added all the technological hardware and software the modern rider could wish for." As a result, the 2018 Goldwing is a new bike from the ground up. It's still the manufacturer's premium tourer model, but it has shed as much as 105 pounds compared with the previous generation bike. The 1833cc, flat engine is still 6-cylinder, and it now has 4 valves per cylinder instead of just 2, producing 125 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 125 pounds-feet of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. The power unit has been moved forward 40 mm, as well as the riding position. Since the bike has been downsized and there's a brand new aluminum twin-beam frame, it should be a lot more agile to ride. But a Goldwing wouldn't be a Goldwing without luxurious amenities. For example, there's a 7-inch full-color TFT display for infotainment, and the bike is now compatible with Apple CarPlay.